Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix, safely remove hardware icon missing in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Click, select which icon appear on the taskbar. Turn on Windows Explorer, safely remove hardware and eject media. Close and exit from settings. Second method is type services.msc in Windows search bar. Double-click Plug and Plug service. Change service type to automatic, then apply, OK. Close the service and exit. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.